know that I'm always hold you down, hold you down, hold you down. You know that I'm...
Yeah, actually, even your CT a little bit.
And honestly, that's probably...
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Because you usually feel it right in here-ish, right?
Yeah.
And even this is not bad either. Have you been rolling it out? No? Yeah, that's good. But you've been getting adjusted like on a regular basis?
Like,
ish?
Kind of.
Every 2 weeks or so?
Yeah.
Yeah, which I think is good. Let your arms fall. Yep. Actually, just look up just a little bit. Yeah. Good. And one more right there, too. Look up. Good. So the biggest problem for her and a lot of people is the CT junction, where the bottom of the cervical spine and the thoracic spine meet. That's where people hold a lot of tension, where most of the weight of your head is put. Wow, see, that's even a lot. That was easy. That was pretty restricted. So this adjustment gives people a lot of relief. Yeah, this side's a lot better. Good. I'm gonna stretch this just a little bit. Lift. Yep. Wow.
What? Tight?
Your hips
Or tight?
Yeah,
Just
really tight.
rolling.
Do you feel that in your hip flexor? Quad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just have like quads and hips.
Yeah.
In general.
Yep.
Just I think the way
The pelvis sits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my knees and stuff.
Right.
Like I feel like my quads are always turned on.
Right.
Just because my
Yep.
knees don't fully extend.
Yeah, same. And then, yeah. Let's get you on this side first. I feel like usually the other side you're a lot shorter on. Usually this one was a lot easier.
Yeah. Feels like it's gonna go, but it's
Does it?
not.
Doctor's done it.
Oh, there.
Yeah, we'll leave it there. Yeah, good. That was
Doing them individually as they came.
You will.
Hello, buddies.
If you want to come up, you come up in here. Leave her alone. Maybe.
This is comfy to him.
Yeah, I think so. No, well, it's not too dark. Your favorite, I know. Your favorite.
He likes to stay, like, he's very, like, guard
Yeah,
dog. Like,
yeah.
he'd just rather protect than...
Is that comfy? Hi, buddy. I'm working, so I can't give you belly rub. Yeah.
I'm dead. He used this as a headrest. Is that a nice headrest for you? Yes.
That's so nice.
Hero,
Up.
come.
Put her up. Put her up.
Hero. No, Hero. Come. Right here. No, come right here. I know, come right here. Yeah! Come right here!
Oh yeah.
You can feel it?
Mm-hmm.
So it's
Is
literally,
it worse on one side?
lately,
That side?
then it's this side, but then like the other day was this side. I don't know. It's weird, but like today, honestly, it might feel bad to you, but
It feels a lot better.
Yeah, like I actually feel like
Take a breath in and out. Oh my, you poor thing.
Well, that's because I was laying flat and I
Yeah.
do need to blow my nose. I will not lie.
Take a breath in and out. Deep breath in. Out. Do it again. Okay. This one, yeah. Hand on your hip. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And don't press back as hard. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.